This is a review for the Temu portable washing machine. So it's good for smaller items. Right now I'm washing my husband's socks. So these are all socks. So I put a little laundry detergent soap there and Downy. And it has switch there if you want 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Semi-hydration. Oh, okay, it has one. You just have to long press that. Sadly, it didn't come with a basket to dry it, like a dry rack. But it's fine. I manually rinse them and then I just put them in my dryer. So that's where you drain it after you wash it. There's the plug there, and then just plug in there. Overall, it's good. It's nice, just for smaller items, because I don't want to wash socks with my clothing.